Okay, so here are some Pogo wireless sport earbuds from VEENAX. I will do an unboxing of these and try them and all that. You will find links to where you can buy these down below in the description text. And you will also find a 30% off code there. So you get them very cheap if you use that code. So hurry up and see that code and go buy these. Okay, so very nice box as you can see. And let's see what's in the box. Nice packaging. You get a nice box carrying case for these earphones. And what's more in the box? Some instructions and a quick start guide. That's good. Let's see what's in the carrying case then. Very sturdy case. Here we have some AirPods. They are magnetic, that's nice. Here you see the VEENAX logo. Feels quite heavy in your hand. Looks nice. Here are the remote, as you can see. Looks very nice. What's more in the carrying case? We have a micro USB charging cable that you can plug into your computer or to a charger. And we have some more earplugs and a clip that you can use with this. Okay, that's what's in the box, and as I said, feels a bit heavy. The build quality feels nice. You have these to let them fit your ears perfectly fine so they can't fall out of your ear. And you should have this cable around your neck, of course, and when you don't use it you can do like that. The magnetic will keep them in place around your neck, so that's really nice. It will be interesting to try these and see how good the sound quality is for these. Okay, go check the links down in the description text and buy these with a 30% off code. Okay, bye.